walking up. She's a Prado goes right in. They're all set. They're off. Dream Call broke about a length slow. She's a Prado and Havana Moon getting out towards the front, trying to get some position and cross over here for this first turn as they race out there. And Havana Moon there towards the outside, getting out here to show good speed. I Wish It Would Rain's going to have a chance there to cut the corner. Also Coco Chanel. Nice move there by jockey Julie Burke from the outside. It's Coco Chanel to the inside to cut the corner and is up close now racing third. It's 2.5 lengths back then to She's a Prado fourth, Downton Kitten fifth, and just behind is American Cowgirl and Full of Joy. Then Never Grow Old and a tight hold back with the green sleeves and cap. Then Wicked Lick and Ring Me Up. Burn a Dreamy is back about 10 lengths off the lead, and 2 back to Dream Call, who trails. That's the order as they ascend the backside, heading over towards the right. It's Havana Moon and I Wish It Would Rain showing the most speed. They carve out the fractions, 2.5 lengths in front. Coco Chanel right there up between horses. Downton Kitten's going to have a chance to save all the ground. She's a Prado towards the outside there with Ring Me Up, Full of Joy. American Cowgirl also saving ground and tucked in. As they come down the dip now for the sweeping turn, further back to Never Grow Old is being patiently ridden. Then Wicked Lick back third last, 8 lengths off the lead. 2.5 back to Dream Call, and Burn a Dreamy is now the trailer. Coming around this turn, about 5 furlongs to go. It is still Havana Moon and I Wish It Would Rain trading punches. Here's a move from Ring Me Up, making a middle move, and Ring Me Up getting involved is getting up on the outside now to race a joint second. Full of Joy's traveling well, so's Coco Chanel. Downton Kitten down inside, 4 lengths off the lead. She's a Prado coming on wide as Never Grow Old is now being asked to do more. It's got 4 lengths to make up. Then American Cowgirl and Wicked Lick. This whole bunch has got about 6 lengths there. Then 3 back to Dream Call and Burn a Dreamy. Coming for the top of the stretch, Ring Me Up made that wide advance. Coco Chanel suddenly makes a burst, and there's Coco Chanel with a big bid, and also Downton Kitten coming up the inside. Coco Chanel, Downton Kitten, Full of Joy, Ring Me Up on the extreme outside. Never Grow Old tries to chime in. It is wide open, an assortment of chances. They're coming in deep stretch, a driving finish. Downton Kitten, Full of Joy, Downton Kitten. These two from Coco Chanel. It's a Downton Kitten on the inside, Coco Chanel, Full of Joy, a driving finish. Downton Kitten is the winner. Very tight for second between Coco Chanel and Full of Joy. The unofficial winner of today's fourth race, number 1, Downton Kitten. There's a photo for the exotics. Please hold all tickets. That winning time for a mile and 5/16, 2 minutes 20 and 91/100ths. Number 11, Coco Chanel was second. Number 8, Full of Joy, third. Number 5, Dream Call finished fourth. 1, 11, 8, and 5 unofficial. In the winner's circle, today's fourth race presented by the Western Kentucky University Alumni Association. And we welcome to the winner's circle, Krista Steenbergen making the presentation. And in the winner's circle is number 1, Downton Kitten. The winner is a 3-year-old Bay Filly by Kitten's Joy from Manda Bay by Empire Maker. Bred in Kentucky by Ken and Sarah Ramsey. The winning owner is Vincent II. Winning trainer, Eduardo Caramori. And winning jockey, Julian Leperoux. The fourth race is official. And here are the payoffs. That $1 double paid $147.20. The 50-cent pick 3, $1,056.15. The dollar exacta paid $58.40. That 50-cent trifecta, $258.85. The 10-cent superfecta paid $424.69. All of those payoffs now showing for race 4. Coming up next in today's fifth race, scratch number 2, War Tom.